Welcome to this comprehensive guide on understanding division. Division is one of the 4 fundamental operations in mathematics, and it's essential for solving everyday problems. Today, we will explore what division actually means, the different ways to think about it, and how it relates to multiplication. The most intuitive way to think about division is through fair sharing. Imagine you have 12 items. Let's represent them as these blue dots. Now, suppose you want to share these 12 items equally among 3 people. We divide, or split, the 12 items into 3 equal groups. Notice how many items are in each group. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are exactly 4 items in each group. In mathematical terms, we write this as 12 divided by 3 equals 4. The number 12 is the dividend, the total amount we started with. The number 3 is the divisor, representing how many groups we are making. And the number 4 is the quotient, which is our final answer. Let's clear the board and look at another way to think about division. Another powerful way to understand division is as repeated subtraction. Let's look at a number line from 0 to 15. Suppose we want to calculate 15 divided by 5. We start at 15. We want to see how many times we can subtract 5 before reaching 0. Subtract 5. That's jump number 1. Subtract 5. That's jump number 2. Subtract 5. That's jump number 3. We have reached 0. How many jumps did it take? Exactly 3. Therefore, 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Understanding division through both sharing and repeated subtraction gives you a complete picture of how the operation works. Keep practicing, and soon division will be second nature to you. Thanks for watching.